Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another look with Pure X Barbie. Endless Possibilities 2, because it's the holidays and this just reminds me of warm, cozy feelings for the holidays. It reminds me of a sweater. So it made me want to dig into this palette even though it's reflective. And there are shade names, but they're back here, and that's just annoying. They have room to put shade names in. Like they should put like shade names right here, right here. They have room. I don't know why. So I'll be using this palette today. I need to wash some brushes, but that's fine. So I'm gonna go in with the crown brush. I'm going in with the lightest shade right here just to put a base. I feel like putting a base on after you put eye primer, I think it's good because this eye primer likes to crease. So like today, it's not creasing as bad. It's very light creasing. Yesterday was really bad. So I like to put like any kind of powder, mainly eyeshadow, for like a base. And this is what it's looking like. Going in with this shade right here, I think that would be beautiful for the crease. Going in with this pink right here, like a dusty pinky tone shade. So last night, John's grandmother passed away with a massive heart attack. So today he is gone with his family. And it's pretty sad. Now I have 3 people that I knew passed away this year, so it's not fun at all. But at least it wasn't from COVID. And it was just her time to go. When you have heart attacks, I feel like it was their time to go. Just watching TV and she went. This is a beautiful pink. I'm glad I used the orange neutral with that pink right there. It's really pretty. This shade really kicked up, and then these shades right here didn't kick up at all when I used the same brush. So that was pretty nice. I'm gonna go in with, I'm using new colors that I have not tried yet in this palette, and this is the second time that I've worn this palette, so this is fun. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which I'm not a fan of the shade. The shade is more like, more possibilities that I would wear more than this shade. So, and they both look brand new, so yeah, I'm gonna use that shade. Someday I just want to pan this palette out. I feel like I probably won't get as much use out of this palette just because of the color stories. Not my jam. But someday I want to pan out this palette. I feel like these will be easier to pan out quickly. just gonna go in the outer portion with this shade. And then I'm gonna use the shade, I guess, right next to the other shade in the outer portion of the eyelid. Going in with this shade right here because I want to put sparklies on top of this shade. I used eye primer, the glitter glue, and then I sneezed and it went like down here. So that was fun. That gave a lot more pigmentation. So the glitter glue gives out pretty good pigmentation even though it is a matte shadow. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in probably with my fingers. I feel like shimmer shades are best with fingers. So since I have brown on, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I thought that would be nice. Hopefully the orange don't show too much, but that's pretty. But I like to put, I need to start remembering to always put a matte shadow underneath a shimmer shade, just in case, because sometimes they're just toppers. And I don't care for topper shades. So as long as they're a matte shadow underneath, I think that's just fine. That's pretty. Going back with that chocolate brown right here. In the outer portion underneath the eye, just a little bit. Going in with this green blue right here. I don't know, I can't tell, but it looks pretty nice and sparkly. So I'm gonna try to apply that if I don't need any shadow underneath. Of course it likes to go in my eye. Gotta be careful. I feel like I should go in with this shade right here, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade. So going in. Yeah, this shade is more like a topper. Really light. And then going in with that pink in the inner portion. There's so much in my eyeball right now, but in this one, so it's annoying. But this palette was okay. It came out like a glam look, kind of like a neutral glam look. I don't know. This palette was okay. Like, not my favorite color story, but it was really good. Magnetized. Yeah, it's an okay palette. I will definitely get some usage out of it, of course. But that is Pure X Barbie. Endless Possibilities 2, and this is the look it created. It was okay. It wasn't my best. It's just okay. The quality, I know there's a little bit better quality out there, but I just wanted to wear it. I felt like wearing this palette today. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.